Hi everyone, welcome to HR Quest. This is Sudakshana. HR transaction surveys are very critical for an effective and efficient HR department. The reason why I say this is because HR is primarily a service delivery function, and it is very important to recognize this in everything that HR does. In every role that HR managers perform, in every HR plan that the team executes, the service delivery orientation should reflect in all interactions and transactions. At the same time, it is not a very quantitative aspect of HR delivery that you can really list down 1, 2, 3, 4 things which have been very effective. It is rather very qualitative. The nature of interaction with the employees, the quality of transaction with customers or stakeholders, that is employees, business heads, managers, partners, etc., are very qualitative, and it's difficult to assess the effectiveness of such transactions or interactions. But one of the formal mechanism of understanding or measuring the HR efficiency and effectiveness is an HR transaction survey or a voice of customer survey. So what does HR transaction survey really mean? As I said previously, that it measures the effectiveness and efficiency of the HR department on the whole. And this makes a lot of difference the way organization views HR. I mean, this is a kind of dashboard which tells the organization that how effective the HR department has been. There is a science of designing the HR transaction questionnaire or a voice of customer questionnaire for HR department. To know more details about how you would like to design your own voice of customer survey or HR transaction survey, we have materials available in hrquest.com. So you may visit HRQuest and understand the various parameters that you need to include in your own HR transaction survey for your HR department. And when you present the survey results to the organization, it not only gives you an edge in the organization, it helps the team build credibility within the organization, and it also raises the bar as far as what kind of expectations the organization may have from the HR team. So to know more details about that, do visit www.hrquest.com. Thank you.